Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and today we're going to be going ahead and checking out the LED wallet cover for the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G or Galaxy S20 Ultra, what it should have been called in the first place. And I got my S20 Ultra right here, and I got the SV flip cover on it, and I've been feeling this thing, but now I want to go and check this thing out. But I don't think this is what I wanted. I think I got the wrong case. The case I wanted was the one with the little stars and whatever on the back of the case, so I don't know, maybe I'll return this thing or something, but let's go and check this thing out first to see if I end up liking it. Alright, y'all, so I just got this thing in the mail like, what, 5 minutes ago? And I literally just got my smart switch dongle, and I ordered this phone like, what, like a week ago or something, or longer than that? But let's go and check this thing out. So yeah, so we got LED wallet cover, we got the Samsung logo here at the top, we got Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G with the case right there. On the left side we don't got none, on the right side we don't got none, and on the back we got some info. So we got our interior pockets, so store your credit card or ID here. We got LED icons, so set specific icons for specific callers. And then we got notification alerts, so answer calls and see messages without opening the cover. Alright, so let's go and crack into this thing then. So how you open it is, you just open it up just like this, so it's a nice little unboxing experience. Let's go and pop this thing out of here. So we got our usual books and stuff. What we do with that, throw it to the side. And yeah, so here's our LED wallet cover. So this isn't what I was supposed to be getting. I was supposed to get the ones with the little lights on the back and all that, but it is what it is. I'll go and return it if it ain't what I want. So let's go and pop off this thing right here. So let's go and take off our S View cover, and there we go. So we got an S20 Ultra 5G. Let's go and pop that up in there. And there we go. So in terms of just like the looks and everything, it looks almost exactly the same as this, like same color and all that. On the back, we still got that same Samsung logo. We got like the perfect cutout here for our camera. On the left side, we just got, you know, the flap right there. On the right side, we have these open exposures right here, so we can still get access to our volume rockers and our power button. At the top, we got our microphone, and at the bottom, we have, it's all open right here. So speaker, the USB-C port, and the microphone. In the front, you can see here, we got a little bit of a slit here for the earpiece. And we got a little bit of a curve right there. So yeah, I mean, that's looking like that's about it. Let's go and open this thing up. And we just got a new notification, so it's congratulating us on a new case. And then it says download additional features. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap on download. And there we go. So now it's downloading and installing. And there we go. So it says it's installed right there. All right, let's go and check this out real quick. So can't receive notifications. So let's go and do this real quick then. All right, LED icon editor, let's go and tap on allow, and there we go. So let's go and close this thing up right here, and there we go. So we got the time right there, it's 3 o'clock. And if I go and tap on this thing, do we get anything or press on the power button? Let's go and see right here. So we just get the time so far. So let's go and open this thing up right here. Let's go ahead and see about that theme right there. So we get exclusive themes, and it's nothing special. They're just like regular themes. It's not going to be nothing special for this actual cover right here, but actually let's go and look over something real quick before we get too deep into that. So if you look at this case right here, we have like zero razivity over here. So like you better go ahead and close this thing and then slam it on the table if you want to. But all right, so now we can go over to the settings. We can scroll down and go over to advanced features and then go and tap on accessories. And there we go. So we got our LED icon editor, we got our about, and then our user manual. And then in here, that's where we can look for updates if we want to. And it looks like, oh, there is a new update. So let's go and update this thing then real quick. 2020, we really out here updating cases. All right, y'all, so now it's updated. And let's go and check out some of the things on here. So LED icon editor, so it says welcome. Let's go and tap on continue, asking me to allow my contacts, so cool. And we got all this right here. So assign LED icons to your contacts and apps. So when you get calls or notifications, the icons will appear on your LED view cover. So you got all this right here, and then you could go ahead and make a custom one if you want to. And then you could just go ahead and draw whatever you want. But let's go and choose something here, like, I don't know, let's go and choose chicken. Let's go and add that, and then we're gonna go ahead and set a contact. So I went ahead and added my trap number, so anytime my trap number calls, I'll get this chicken right here. And then we can set notifications, so I'm gonna go ahead and tap on add, and like anytime, I don't know, let's see here, Messenger sends me something, I tapped on done, and then we'll get that little chicken here on the notifications. And there we go. So we got a call right there from our trap number, we got that chicken right there. So if we want to go and answer, let's go and swipe on there. So did I answer the call, or did I? Yeah, I declined it. All right, so let's go ahead and call again here, and then there we go. So now it's going through. Let's go and swipe and answer this call. And there we go. So let's go and take that off speaker real quick. Let's go and tap on that or go and press on the power button, and then there we go, so we can see the call duration. And then whenever I want to go ahead and end it, let's see how we do that. Do we go and swipe, or how do we do this? Maybe we have to open it. But to end the call, looks like we have to actually go ahead and open the phone here and then tap on end call. So let's go and do like a timer real quick. So let's go and set one for like a second. So tap on start, close it, and then let's see what that looks like right there. So we have our alarm timer thing right there. So let's go ahead and end that. And there we go. Now let's go and do an alarm real quick. And there's our alarm. So we have the little icon right there. It's telling us to go ahead and end it by swiping this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And now I just dismissed it. And then we can use Bixby. So let's go ahead and hold on to this power button right here. What's the weather?
In Kenosha, it is cloudy and 39 degrees right now.
That's dope, man. Hi, Bixby. Call.
Which contact should I call?
Trap number.
Calling trap number.
Alright, dope. So it works just like that, and then it's gonna go ahead and start the call for us. So if I go and press the power button, we can see, okay, so Bixby's still showing up. But I'm getting the call right now, my trap number. I don't know if you can hear that vibrating. So let's go ahead and end this real quick. And there we go. So it's that simple. So let's go and tap on this X right here, and then that should go ahead and close it. And I don't got no way of doing it right now, but I'll go ahead and add this video later. But this is what it looks like when you get a video call. But now let's go and play some music real quick. So now we got some music playing, so let's go ahead and close this thing real quick, and there we go. So you can see the music right there. So it's gonna go away eventually, but you can just go ahead and press the power button again, obviously. So let's go ahead and press this power button right here, and then you can see we got the pause button, and then we got the next. So let's go and tap on next again, and we can go to the previous song now. And then we can go ahead and mess with the volume right here. Now, can we go ahead and tap right here? No, we can't. But you can actually see the volume stage right there. Alright, so now let's see about charging real quick. So I got my wireless charger portable battery. So let's go and slap that on top. And let's see what that looks like right there. So let's give it a minute. And come on now. Let's make sure this is actually turned on. Okay, it looks like it wasn't turned on. So let's go and do it now. And there we go. So we got 82%, and then it goes away. So nice. Let's go and put it on again here. So we got 82%. We can see the battery icon, and if we take it off, looks like it don't do nothing. And I know I'm all over the place right now, but let's go and see about notifications. So let's go and send in the notification real quick. So I just sent a message right there, and there we go. So it says 87. So what does that mean? 87 messages? But you could see right there that we got a message. Now I don't think we can go ahead and act on this. If I go and tap on it, no, it don't look like we can actually act on that. And now let's go and try one more thing. So let's go and turn this phone off. And we're gonna go ahead and see if this actually works while it's off. So on this S view cover right here, it didn't do nothing while it's off. So now we're gonna go and see if it works on here. So I'm gonna go and try charging this thing while it's off. So let's go and put that on there. And it's not showing nothing, but if we go ahead and open this, you can see that's charging right there. And now we're done with this part, so let's go and slap some cards up in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Kenosha Public Library card right here. Let's go and slap that in there. And there we go. So it sticks out a little bit right there. So there we go. Let's go and see if we can slap another card up in here. Yeah, we can. Let's try for 3. Cool, that fits. Let's try for 4. And it looks like we're okay. So we can't slap that in there, but it's starting to get a little bit tight. Yep, that's what she said. I'm already knowing. Let's go ahead and try this 5th card in here. And yeah, at this point, yeah, you shouldn't be doing that. Like 3 cards is good enough for this. Now let's go and try to close this. And yeah, that's not working out. So taking out those cards right there, even 2 cards are too much. Let's go and just see about this single card. And yeah, it still kind of sticks out like that. So I'm not feeling that. Oh wait, I just lied to y'all. That ain't the only card that was in there. So now it's going to do it. And yeah, it's alright. Still kind of sticks up, but it is what it is. Alright y'all, so that's pretty much it for this LED wallet cover right here. I'll go and let y'all know if I'm feeling this thing, but so far, for 65 bucks, cause yeah, that's how much it cost. Do I give this a Jennings stamp of approval? I don't know yet, man. I'm gonna need to play with this some more, but I think I'm gonna go and return this thing because this ain't really for me. But yes, that's pretty much all I got for y'all so far. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But one thing I really don't like about this thing is when you want to go and take pictures, you have no choice but to keep it like that. So you can't go ahead and flip it around because it's gonna just completely block the camera. You gotta go ahead and keep it open like that. So at least with the S view cover, you can see a little bit through the camera, even though it don't look that good, you can still see through it. On here, it's just like, you just gotta keep it open like that. So yeah, y'all, I don't got my Jennings stamp of approval figured out on this yet, but I'll go ahead and see if I like it later. I'll let y'all know in another video, but yeah, so far that's it. So thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. I think I would still rock this over this, but I'll go ahead and get that LED case with the LEDs in the back. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out. Alright y'all, so I just found out something about this case right here that I don't think you're gonna like if you like wireless charging your phone. So basically check this out. I'll go ahead and put on this wireless charger dual here by Samsung, and you can see it's charging fine, right? Even got the red indicator light right there, which means it's charging. So let me go and close this. You can see this pops up right here, and watch this. That red indicator goes away, which means it's not charging anymore, and it just showed back up as soon as that went away. So basically, as soon as that screen turns on, it's not charging anymore, and when it goes away, it starts charging again. So basically, like when the phone is applying this power, it just can't wireless charge the phone. So again, right now it's not charging, but let me go ahead and open this thing right here, and then you can see that it starts charging again. Now if I go ahead and close it, it's gonna go away again. So watch this. Now it's not wireless charging anymore, and now it should be. Yep, that's a major letdown. Okay, like anytime you're trying to use the case, it can't even wireless charge the phone because the phone is trying to supply the case power. I don't really know if Samsung knows about this or not, but seriously, like, nah, I can't do that. I mean, like I said, it might not be a big deal for some of y'all, but for me, I don't like that. That's kind of a big deal. Like if I'm trying to just use my case and it can't wireless charge, even though you can't do that much with it, it's just, yeah, like, no, I'm gonna just go ahead and put a regular case on this thing. So that's why I'm kind of worried about the case that, you know, shows the little stars on the back or whatever, even though like you can't do anything while it's wireless charging because, well, the back of the case is gonna be lying against the charger. So, but you know, with the S20 it's different because it just displays the phone screen like normal, but on here, the phone screen doesn't go through this. So yeah, y'all, that's something that you need to know. And then you can see right here, it's charging and it just went away, and there we go. So now it's showing again. All right, y'all, so that's the rest I got for y'all. So peace out.